Hello everyone, it's Jake. Today we'll continue to break a heat pump mess about heat pump lifespan. When it comes to investing in a heat pump, a key question that's often asked is, how long will it last? Typically, a high-quality heat pump can last between 15 to 20 years, and it is require less frequent maintenance. If it is installed and maintained well, you will expect to see a longer lifespan. Other heating systems like gas boiler will last 10 to 15 years with proper maintenance and servicing. Even those air source heat pumps often cost much higher than gas boiler, but think about it, with a government incentive, energy saving, and lower maintenance costs, air source heat pumps can be a smart investment for your home. Newntide high-quality heat pumps are built with durable components that withstand regular use. For example, we use inverter compressors that wrap out and down smoothly, reduce wear and tear. That means less stress on the systems and a longer lifespan. There are also a lot of other factors that impact heat pump lifespans. These include installations, models, maintenance, and even your local weather. I'm going to give you some tips to maximize your heat pump lifespan. Let's find out together. First, make sure the heat pump system is installed by a certified technician. Prepare placements of indoor and outdoor units, ensuring efficient operations. Second, schedule annual professional servicing. Check refrigerant levels, hydraulic system, electrical connections, and overall system performance. Third, keep the outdoor unit clear. Remove leaf, dirt, snow, and debris around the outdoor units. With the right care, your heat pumps can be a long-term investment in comfort and efficiency. Don't let mess hold you back. Upgrade to heat pumps and enjoy long-term values. Any questions, let us know in the comment below. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.